So good people, today we're doing trigonometric proofs. Whenever you're given these proofs, what you must always understand is you're going to focus on your identities, which are these ones. Now, first of all, you must know that the identities, they are sine squared plus cos squared being equals to 1. Now, for you not to cram them, you must always know that if you're looking for sine squared, it means the cos will go to the other side. You're going to have sine squared being equals to 1 minus the cos squared. If I'm looking for cos, the sine will just go to the other side, which means I'm going to have cos squared being equals to 1 minus the sine squared. Now, sine over cos, we always get what? The last one, which is tan x. Now, I'm going to be applying these identities for us to prove the identity that is here. Now, what's going to happen here? It means I'm going to tell the person marking to say the left-hand side will be equals to cos 4x plus sine squared x multiplied by what? By cos squared x. Everything over the 1 plus sine x. Now, when I look at this one, I don't panic. What I do, I smile because I see a common factor on both sides. What is our common factor? You guessed it, it is the cos squared x. Whenever you take out cos squared as your common factor, you'll be left with what? Cos squared x being here plus the sine squared x. Because why? Cos is already being removed as a common factor. At the bottom, what are you left with? You are left with the 1 plus sine x. Now, this guy, we are familiar with him from the identities that whenever we see cos squared plus sine squared, the answer is going to become what? 1. Which means now here, I'm left with what? Cos squared x, everything over the 1 plus sine x. Now, whenever I get for cos squared here, cos squared x here, I check that, oh, cos, I've seen you before. You look like this guy. You are familiar. I've seen you before. So what is this guy? We change him to become 1 minus the sine squared x. Everything over what? 1 plus sine x. So in grade 10, we've already learned that this one will represent a difference of two squares when it comes to factorizing. So it means we're going to have two brackets. In the two brackets of us, it means we're going to have something like this, 1 and 1. What about sine squared? It means we've got sine and sine. What about this one? Oh, sorry, there has to be the x's. I forgot to put the x's. So meaning here, we'll have sine x. Even this side, we're going to have what? Sine x in the bracket. Now, what about the signs? To get negative, we need a negative and a positive. So at the bottom there, you're going to have what? 1 plus sine x. Now, whatever looks like here will cancel out. It means the sine 1 plus sine x plus 1 plus sine x are going to cancel out. We are left with what? We're left with the 1 minus sine x. Once we get here, we're smiling now to say, okay, the right hand side is equals to the left hand side. We have proved it. It is simple as that, good people. Keep on practicing, and I promise you these things are going to become easy for you too. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Repost if you're on TikTok. Thank you.